Hi everyone, Daniel Eigenamnn here for the Daniel Eigenamnn Broker Forum. Today was the first time the RBA met on their rate decision, and there was absolutely no surprise. Today the rates were kept unchanged at 1.5. So as usual, what I like to do is just quickly look at what that means for you as a borrower, whether you have a home loan or you're looking at a home loan. What does that mean? But that means that the rates are at the lowest historically. What does that mean? Anything that goes down will go up at some stage. So think about whether you want to protect yourself in the next year or two. If you're looking at protecting your rates, you may want to consider fixing all or some of your home loan. And remember, there are three types of rates. There is the variable rate, there's a fixed rate, and there's a combined split rate. Personally, as a Swiss person, I tend to be neutral. I tend to stand on the fence sometimes, so I like my loans to be split. So a little bit of variable, a little bit of fixed, so I can benefit from the flexibility of the variable rate, but also the security of the fixed rates. Now, if you're looking at fixing your loans and you're worried about not having an offset account, remember there are a handful of lenders that have fixed products with either 40% or 100% offset facility against a fix. So if fix is something you want to look at, but you still want to have the offset facility, give me a ring and I can show you what your options are. So just to remind you, today the RBA kept the rates unchanged, no surprise. Let's see what they do next month. And very quickly, the risk really of rates going up are the regulators pushing the banks to tighten up their lending, but also the rates going up in the US, because remember, what goes in the US actually increases the cost of banks, which may put some pressure on the local banks. So even though the RBA is not changing rates, it doesn't mean that the banks themselves will not change. The last 18 months is a good example of that, where rates have been going up and down on investor loans, owner-occupied loans. It is challenging for most of us, even with me, who deal with 30 different lenders. Again, any questions, give me a call on 0412 022 110. Otherwise, have a great week. Thanks, bye.